I gotta wait for this light to turn green in the hands. Gotta be careful. Now, this guy's over. Okay. Now, I'm supposed to go because I got the green light and he's got a red arrow, or she does. And here. We're passing the Domino's to our left. Another realtor on our left. And we're in a big water park to my right. We're now in La Floresta. Just entered it. And it's roughly around 6 p.m. Now you know what a bike ride is. There's La Valida community there. Floresta, we're on the north side of the Carretara highway. It's a little gloomy now. It turned gloomy, but that's okay. Overcast with some clouds. Okay. La Valida area on our right, on my right. And South Floresta is on my left. Now look at this. I want to take you through here. This is where we're supposed to go. Not everyone goes this way. But that's okay. As long as they're not harming anyone, I guess. Okay. Take us so far. I want to break up these videos. I think one of them was over 15 minutes. I can still keep going. I can pedal in. Here's this electronic bike. But I want to break up these videos because I have stops to make. To our left is the La Floresta Auditorium. I was there 2.5 years ago. First time I was in Ajijic. Went to a jazz concert there. They had a flamenco dancer. It was an excellent concert. And they're doing some work. They're renovating it right now. They're doing something on the property. I live nearby here. Only a couple blocks from here. 2.5 blocks. Okay, once again, these turnabouts, pretty here, go through here. Still in La Floresta. We'll be in Ajijic. Well, we are in Ajijic, but we're in the La Floresta community right now, still. And I'm going to stop where the Mercado is. Actually, this is the La Floresta Auditorium on the left, I believe. Okay. There's boutiques, restaurants along this way. And we did pass up one movie theater, and we're going to end up, stop this video at the next restaurant. I mean, the next movie theater. And then I'll give you guys a tour through the Bougainvillea Mall. I've been through there before, but I'm going to give you a new tour. Here was the bus stop. And here. Straight ahead, we are now actually just about 100 feet from Ajijic. You can see the sign, the Cinemagic sign. So that's the second cinema you could go to here in the lakeside area. What's playing? It says Elvis, Thor 4, something, Minions, Lightyear, and some other films there. Oops. Got my hand in the way. Okay, with that, close this video. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day. And please tap on that word subscribe, and you'll be subscribed to this channel. Also, please give these videos a thumbs up and tap that notification bell, and you'll be notified of upcoming videos here in Lakeside. Thanks for viewing.